Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to set your default feeds on Threads app. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So when you open your Threads, your feed is usually a mix of posts from people you follow and recommended content. If you want more control over what you see, you can set your feed to only show posts from people you follow. To do this, open the Threads app and tap on the home icon at the bottom. At the top of your feed, you should see an option to switch between For You and Following. Tap on Following and now your feed will only show posts from accounts you actually follow, without any random recommendations. Unfortunately, Threads does not have a built-in setting to make this the default every time you open the app, so you will have to switch it manually when you need it. But if Meta adds a permanent option in future updates, make sure to check the settings under your profile menu for any new customization features. One other thing you should keep in mind is that the accounts appearing here are the ones you follow on Instagram. So if any of the accounts are uploading disturbing content that you don't want to see, you should unfollow them from Instagram. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.